Omururembo rwa Fort Portal minisitule y'ebyamagara ekarabyaho amarwarana okuba nigo gateera ekikatu ky'okutangira siriimu ekyali na Capeville agagarumu Bukuku Health Center ya Kana, Kataraka Health Center ya Kana, Kagote Health Center ya Kashatu n'irwariro erikuru erya Fort Portal. Kwonka gamwe aha marwariro agu tushikiremu omubazi ogu gukahwayo bwa Rubanda na Ruzige ahabwa abantu abarikugwetaaga okuba bingi munonga.
Dozi 20 ezo kubanza twazikozesa zahwaho abantu abejumbire okutwara omubazi ogu n'abakazi abine enda n'abakazi abari konsya abaana bato kandi hamwe nabo abari kuba bacebize okashanga omukundwa we ayina akakoko ka siriimu chonka we atina akakoko ka siriimu. Azo nizo grupu ishatu hatiya ezitutireho amaani oko omubazi ogu n'ogwa buri omwe n'okugira ngu gukiri muce
abantu nibahabwa tugiha twina doses ntaito bakamanza kutwara doses 30 kandi zikabaho mu weeks 2 zonka batwongera doses 50 kandi nazo ezirahe kwaho baitu tubere ntulengaho kusera abo abakazi abainenda nundi abakazi abakonchi abakuba ntwenda omuntu aratunga dozemu ebe ne covering abantu babiri omusaija amina omwana owakonchi arundanya kuri munda n'omukazi ogu wenyine atakazaire
kazi abainenda rumanya toina kauka komwerero abasaija bakutekereza ngo muri habunkenke okutunga oburoire buno mugende baina doza kinana na ibi
kazo inenda n'omuntu omutano echo kubanza nabasa kuba atari kumanya ngo ayina akakoko ka siriimu nabasa kuba takiri chonka utandu eyo kwatwa yo kutunga akakoko ka siriimu nebasa kuba eri higuru aho kugira ngo tokazi b'omushije kuzo mu mbonano.
Omubazi gw'ekikatu ogu gwizire omukira hi Fort Portal City bariyo nibaritana n'omubaro muhango gw'abantu abarikutura n'akakoko ka siriimu obwa hato gwemerire aha bucweka 14 n'obutonyezo bushatu aharigana.
He overwhelmed us as a ministry because originally what our plans, according to our plans, we had planned for a certain number every month. So we gave out we made a distribution for the first 2 months to these facilities. But within less than a week or 2 weeks, the doses for which were meant to last for 2 months were over. So currently now we are distributing the second phase, and this one we are distributing everything to cover them a year. So at the end of that implementation, we shall know how much will be used in what period and how many people will be needing.
Organization CSOs ezikora nabo abantu abari most at risk okutwariza hamwe KPs dukore nabo kurgahansa hirwaro okam community kuri henyine abana bakwikara mu bikaro bya lodges.
Jacqueline Makoka uri mukuru wa UNAID zo mu Uganda nagira ngo sente zirukoresebwa mu kutunga omubazi ogu zikirya higuru munonga ekyaro kugira ngo kibahindukira akabaro mu nkito. Gasha kwa Jonan tusingwire.